Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sheba Joseph, Associate Professor, Department of Social Work, the Bhopal School of Social Sciences. Through this video, we are going to discuss about social group work as a method, its definition. When we speak about social group work as a method of social work, we mean an orderly, systematic, planned way of working with people in groups. Now, what is a method? A method is a conscious procedure, a designed means of achieving a goal. In its outer aspects, a method is always a way of doing something, but underneath the doing, we always discover an integrated arrangement of knowledge, understanding, and principles. The group can play a vital role in the development of individuals. It is the group where emergence of interpersonal relations become possible. The family, the playmates, the class fellows, the neighborhood are the collection of human beings which constitute group in which man lives during the early period of his childhood. It has been assumed that social group work is oriented towards the progress of the entire group. Individual is a member of a group. As such, individual progress is linked with his group. Group work is a method of social work practice by which individuals are served within and through small face-to-face groups in order to solve their problems and bring about desired changes at the individual, group and community level. It recognizes the strength of social forces that are generated within small groups and seeks to mobilize them for change in the client. The practitioner consciously guides the composition, development and process of the group for accomplishing his goals for each individual member and as a group as a whole. He is thus constantly operating at two levels, the client as an individual and the group as a social system, whose influence can be utilized to develop clients' abilities, modify self-images and perspectives, resolve clients and inculcate new patterns of behavior. Social group work as a method. Some people tend to identify social group work with a specific kind of social agency. Social group work, however, is not an agency, but one way of carrying out all or part of the function of an agency. Others tend to describe social group work as a type of activity program. Actually, social group work is not an activity, but a way of conducting many different activities, and some others say declare social group work refers to specific kind of activities, a small club group for example. This is unfortunately limiting because social group work actually refers to a way of work with many different kinds of group. This fact is brought out in the several definitions that has been offered by various writers. Its distinct characteristics lie in the fact that social group work is used in several social relationships, within group experience as a means to individual growth and development, and that the group worker is concerned in developing social responsibility and active citizenship for the improvement of democratic society. Let us look into the definition given by H.B. Trecker about social group work. Social group work is a method through which individuals in groups in social agency settings are helped by a worker who guides their interaction in program activities so that they may relate themselves to others and experience growth opportunities in accordance with their needs and capacities to the end of the individual, group and community development. One more definition given by Konopka, let us discuss about that as well. Social group work is a method of social work which helps individual to enhance their social functioning through purposeful group experiences and to cope more effectively with their personal, group or community problems. When we analyze the definition of social group work, Trecker says social group work is a method. A method is a conscious procedure, a designed means of achieving a goal. It means the purposeful use of insights and understandings based upon a body of knowledge and principles. It also means that social work has specific knowledge, understanding, principles and skills. Social group worker has the knowledge of individuals, groups, community, behavior and skills of working with them. He is made aware about the factors of human behavior such as the role of heredity, environment, learning, socialization, motivation and perception. He is equipped with the principle of planned group formation, purposeful relationship, program development, self-determination, flexible functional organization, guided group interaction, resource utilization. Social group worker is skilled in establishing purposeful relationship, analyzing the group situation, participation with the group, dealing with group feelings, using agency and community resources. Point number 2. Individuals are helped through groups and in social agency settings. Groups and agency both are important for social group work practice. Help is provided to the individual when he comes as a member of a particular group which exists in social agency. Now, point number 3 of the definition. The role of the worker is to guide the interaction process. The relationship between the worker and the group is based on acceptance. The basic function of social group worker is to direct the interaction process of the group. He watches the activities and the behavior of every member of the group. He keeps his eye on members' participation, frequency, time duration, order of participation, interaction level, meaning of activities to the group member. On the basis of this knowledge, he provides adequate opportunity to each member for his proper growth and development. Point number 4. The purpose of social group work is to provide experience growth opportunities for development. Here, social group worker helps the group to organize activities through which the group members increase their capacities of participation, belongingness, decision making, responsibility taking and adjusting themselves with the group members. In short, we can say social group work is a method made up of knowledge, understanding, principles and skills through which individuals in group and social agency settings, including the members in the group in the community setting as well, are helped by a worker who guides their interaction in program activities through relationship based on acceptance, individualizing the group, helping the group to determine objectives and program stimulation and guidance as well as use of resources, so that they may relate themselves to other people and experience growth opportunities in accordance with their needs and capacities, such as participation, belongingness, decision making, responsibility, achievement, self-motivation and adjustment with others, to the end of individual, group and community development. We believe that there will be objective change in the behavior of individuals and group in terms of democratic goals. I hope you got an idea about the definition of social group work. Thank you all.